You ever heard of HRV? Sometimes people call it HVAC. Well, there's a bit of a big difference there. HVAC is heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. And HRV, however, is a heat recovery ventilator, which is what I have right here behind me. And this device right here is actually taking all that stale air from inside your house and humid air in the wintertime and swapping it for the air outside and doing so in an efficient manner. The important part of having an HRV is literally making sure that you constantly have fresh air in your home so you can live a healthier life. The other great thing about it is getting rid of that humidity is extremely important. Last thing you want is condensation on your windows, creating mold in the corners. It's such an important fact that it's now actually required when you're building a new home, you need to have one of these in your house. And there's a couple things that you can do to make sure that it's going to be running efficiently all the time. Number one, go outside to your vent on the exterior wall. It's about a 5-inch round pipe. You'll see it a square cover over top of it. And what you can do is just make sure that's free and clear of any debris. When you're sucking air in, you tend to get bugs and stuff. So you want to make sure that that is cleaned out. Inside this unit has a filter to stop them from getting in your home. But very important device, and I highly, highly recommend that people have these in your home.